Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Christine with Gauge Girl Training and welcome back to the channel. It has been a hot minute since I've been on here, so guys, thank you for your patience. I'm getting ready for the fall challenge, so enjoy this full day of eating vlog. I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm eating, how I'm getting ready for the challenge, a physique update, so enjoy the vlog. Now, as you guys know, I've been a huge fan of adding the Gauge Life Collagen Peptides to my coffee. I've actually been adding half of a scoop as opposed to a full scoop lately because I'm doing half of it in my morning coffee and another half like later in the day. But we also will have these later this week on the website. If you want to try the collagen as well as the proteins, we now have single serve packets. They are so cute, so you guys can check those out on GaugeLife.com. All right, good morning, everyone. It is day one of the fall challenge. It is Monday, October 5th. I'm about to do a 360 to document my current physique update. So let's go get this done so we can make some progress. Here's what we're working with. All right, guys, so just want to wish everybody who's doing this challenge with me the best. We got this, and have an awesome Monday, and stick to your macros, do the workouts. Let's get it done. Have a great day, friends. And not that this matters, but doing it anyway. Let's just see where I'm at. I hate this too, my friends. I hate it too. Boo. All right, there it is. Hey, good morning, YouTube. It is Monday, October 5th, and officially day one of the fall challenge. And I just did my least favorite part of the challenge, which is my physique update, and I posted it on Instagram. And I gotta tell you, here it is. I hate this part. I hate this part. I hate this part. But the thing is, you gotta do it. You gotta do it. You gotta just document it. I like to do 360 videos because, first of all, I can see my body a little bit better. And on top of all of that, I can do progress photos by doing screenshots of the videos from front, side, and back. But I just wanted to show you guys where I'm at. It is day one. It is 7:48 a.m. And I am weighing in at 172.5 today. I am on my period, literally just started yesterday. So there's that, but it is what it is. And I just wanted to be completely transparent, but I'm gonna show you guys what I'm making, gonna show you guys how I track the macros, and we got this. So if you are feeling some kind of way, I always feel this way at the beginning of a challenge, you guys. It's just, you don't really want to deal with, you don't want to see it, but it's like, it is what it is. We're here. I'm here to show you and lead by example that you just got to document it and do the best you can with where you are. So I hope that you guys are encouraged. We got this, and have an awesome, awesome, awesome day for those of you doing the challenge with me. All right, but first coffee. I've been rocking this pumpkin coffee from Trader Joe's, and I literally have one left. I gotta get more, but I have not been in the mood to stand in the social distancing line to get in Trader Joe's. I'm gonna make this, makes my collagen peptides. This stuff's out of stock, but we will have samples up, and we will have this in stock probably in the next 2 weeks, but I'll keep you guys posted on that. So it is coffee time. Alright guys, so I just did a really simple dish here. This is actually a skillet meal. Some 90% ground beef that I had drained the fat from. And what I did was I kind of gave it like a chimichurri vibe. I added garlic, cilantro, some herbs, and some jalapeno. And I squeezed, well I didn't squeeze some lime, I just used a little bit of lime juice. And I'm going to portion, ooh, a little steamy here. I'm going to portion this out. All right, so what I have here is some food prep containers I actually got these, I believe, at Target. They're just Rubbermaid brand, nothing fancy. And I'm going to put the chimichurri beef on this side, and I'm going to put my carb and veggies on this side. So I have a basic scale. Brand is Taylor. It's from Target, and I'm going to turn it on. And once I turn it on, what you guys can see, I have it already tared out, so the weight is 0. So I'm going to measure out the portion of the beef and fill all of these up until I get through this. All right, so here are my meal prep meals. I have 5 ounces of my chimichurri ground beef with 3 ounces of rice. I have a few of these containers here. And I just chopped a bunch of zucchini because I like to add these to my meals for adding volume. But I'm going to keep this in the raw form because I don't like to cook my veggies if I don't have to. So that way they stay fresh, and then I can just toss some of that into these meals. But this is just a super simple, basic AF meal prep, just because I need a little bit of convenience for the next couple days. Good morning, guys. So it has been a full week on the fall challenge, and I gotta tell you guys, I am feeling absolutely amazing. I started off the week at 172.5, and actually yesterday, which was day 7, today's day 8, I weighed in at 166 point something, and I just gotta tell you, I feel so good now. Losing 6 pounds in the first week is not common, and it's never happened for me before. Now, just keep in mind, on day 1, I was bloated on my period, but I just gotta tell you, I've been just consistent. I've been feeling good. Even like, I haven't hit my macros perfect every single day. Some days I was a little bit over, some days I was a little bit under, but overall, my average is where it needs to be. And this challenge just has me on track, has me feeling good. I'm still busy. I still got a lot of things going on, but it's just the extra little push that I've been missing. I already did my fasted cardio this morning. I'm heating up my breakfast. I did 2 meal preps this last week. I did the one that I showed you guys here, and I did another one with salmon, and just been keeping it simple. So for those of you who need some meal prep and you need some ideas, we do have our best-selling 6-week shred program in a variety of cuisines. If you want pre-laid out meal plans, you guys can check that out. But guys, I hope you guys are doing well on the fall challenge. Now, if you aren't seeing progress, if you are slipping, you have to have some grace towards yourself. You got to just pick yourself back up and just embrace the present moment and do the best you can. Don't feel bad about the past. Drink that water and just keep on keeping on. So for everybody in the challenge, I'm really proud of you. I'll talk to you guys more in the private Facebook group. But if you're not in the challenge and you're like, wow, Christine, I really want to be a part of this, pick up one of our shred plans, pick up a custom plan, join the forum, and you'll be able to like get linked into our community, because our community really does come to life in the private Facebook group. It's where you get the support. It's where it just becomes real, and it's really encouraging just to see other people who are actively doing this as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. I'll be doing more in the coming weeks. So take care, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.